You want to sell more of your products and services online. No, I'm John Vaughn, and I'm the founder and CEO of Tier 5. And not so long ago, you checked out our software, Genius Messenger CRM. And I just wanted to remind you that one, we are a real company here to actually help you and support you. And two, you could be selling more of your products and services online if you were using Genius Messenger CRM. Now, every single day, I have messenger conversations on Facebook about people who want to buy my products and services, and I use Genius Messenger CRM to keep track of them and where they are at in my sales pipeline. And then at least once a week, I do a broadcast message. So I basically click a few buttons in the software and send out a broadcast message to all the people who are in a specific stage in my sales pipeline, and I follow up with them automatically, and that gets more people to buy my products and services. And because of that, I've been able to win a 2 Comma Club award, another 2 Comma Club award, and actually fund my entire company and make well over $5 million through organic marketing on Facebook. I've made about $1 million from running little dumb paid ads like this. But anyways, if you want to experience the power of Genius Messenger CRM and actually sell more of your products and services online, then you should be using Genius Messenger CRM. If you're doing any type of marketing on Facebook and having messenger conversations, Genius Messenger CRM will actually help you keep track of where everybody's at in your sales pipeline. It will help you keep notes as far as what you talk about on your sales conversation so that you can easily close those deals. And more importantly, it will help you follow up with your leads. You literally probably right now have 10 or 20, $30,000 or more of potential sales sitting in your messengers conversations that most likely you haven't kept track of, and you're losing out on that money. You can start a 7-day free trial. You don't have to take it from me. We have over 5,000 people that actually use the software every single day because it works and it helps them make more money and follow up with their leads. So if you want to check it out, just click the link here. Go start your 7-day free trial.